38 verse number
73.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اذ قال ربک للملائکۃ انی خالق بشرا من طین فاذا سویتہ ونفخت فیہ من روحی فقعوا لہ ساجدین. The translation is, call to mind when thy Lord said to the angels, I am about to create man from clay. And so when I have fashioned him in perfection and have breathed into him of my spirit, fall ye down in submission to him.
Hazur, could you kindly put some light on the meaning of my spirit, Ruhi?
My spirit? Ruhi is the word which is used in many senses. Ar-Ruh means the will of God. يسألونك عن الروح قل هي من أمر ربي.
قل الروح
من أمر ربي. So الروح is Amr. So when God appoints someone as his Ma'mur, only then the others are required to follow him, not before that. So here Ar-Ruh means Al-Amr. Every prophet starts his prophecy with Ruh, with Amrillah. That is why they are referred to as Ma'mureen. Understand?